Good morning, class.
Good morning.
Welcome to the welcome to the 1st of October, everyone.
Yay.
For today's lesson, I'm gonna be teaching you all how to make chicken parmesan, a classic Italian dish, using these ingredients: sliced chicken breast, which I have seasoned with my special blend. 4 eggs made into an egg wash are seasoned with salt and pepper. Breadcrumbs, both panko and keto. Tomato sauce. And shredded dairy-free mozzarella.
Gluten-free?
Yes.
Lactose?
No.
Halloween. Happy Halloween.
Nice.
Halloween's coming up.
Okay. So first, for this, we're gonna be using an air fryer to fry the chicken.
Yay!
Before
Air fryer.
you should use a lamp. You should use a parchment paper or linen, or an air fryer linen, to coat the bottom. This prevents stickiness. Now, let's first spread the chicken. First, we take one slice of chicken breast, like so, and dip it in the egg wash. Then use the chicken to the breadcrumbs. Cook the time. Chicken and breadcrumbs, like so. Then we put it in here and move on to the next slice. All right. Next you put it in the air fryer. Make sure it is at 375 degrees Fahrenheit, and leave it in for 20 minutes. We flip the chicken using the tongs every 10. Okay, while the chicken air fries, let's get to work on our tomato sauce. Okay, first we open the can of tomato sauce. I'm using a can opener. Strong grip.
That's all I was walking on. The dog in the car it was. Samoyed. Hear me out there?
Pour it on. Careful splashes. Next, we season. And for this, we'll be using pink Himalayan sea salt. Ground black pepper. Italian seasoning. Garlic powder. And onion powder. like Colonel Sanders, you got a signature sauce ready for action. Alright, well, let's prepare the oven. Prepare the oven for baking. First, preheat oven for 5 minutes at 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Then we line the tray with parchment paper. Okay, everybody. Okay, everybody. The chicken is ready, and so is the oven. So let's prepare our parm. Okay. First, you put the tray on. You put the chicken on parchment paper tray. Parchment paper tray. Take a scoop of prepared tomato sauce. Spread on top like so. Make sure you spread the sauce on top of the chicken thoroughly. Next, the dairy-free mozzarella. Next, we sprinkle in the dairy-free mozzarella.
Okay. What's the Johnny Cracker? Almost 4. Almost 4 football.
Sprinkle in some Italian seasoning. Flavor. Place it in the preheated oven like so.
Hey,
Keep it in for 8 minutes. 8 to 10 minutes. Alright, everyone. Chicken's done baking. Let's see what we got.
Anne-Marie, are we going through another outing now? After lunch?
No.
Outing.
Now always make sure you're wearing them when you're taking something out of the oven.
That's kind of food they serve in prison.
You take the chicken. Chicken's out of the tray like so. And just like that, we got some tasty Italian chicken parmesan.
All right.